By the year 2100, rising sea levels could reshape our planet forever. Entire cities, countries, and even some of the world's most famous landmarks could be lost to the ocean. Today, we'll explore the places most at risk and what's being done to stop the rising tide. Sea levels have risen by over 8 inches since 1880, and the rate is accelerating. The main culprits? Melting glaciers, warming oceans, and the destruction of natural coastal barriers. Scientists predict that by 2100, global sea levels could rise by up to 2 meters, or even more in extreme cases. So, which places are in danger? Cities that could disappear. Jakarta, Indonesia, a sinking capital. Jakarta is sinking nearly 10 inches per year. Overpopulation, excessive groundwater use, and poor drainage have made it one of the fastest sinking cities in the world. The situation is so bad that Indonesia is moving its capital to a new city, Nusantara, to escape the flooding. Miami, USA. America's Atlantis? Miami already deals with sunny day flooding, when high tides flood streets even without storms. Its foundation is porous limestone, allowing seawater to seep in from underground. Experts warn that by 2100, large parts of Miami could be permanently underwater unless drastic action is taken. Venice, Italy, the drowning city. Venice has struggled with flooding for centuries, but rising sea levels are making things worse. Even with the multi-billion-dollar Meuse flood barrier, some experts believe Venice could become uninhabitable within this century. Shanghai, China, a megacity at risk. Shanghai, one of the world's most populated cities, sits just a few meters above sea level. Without serious flood prevention, rising waters could displace millions. China is investing heavily in seawalls and drainage systems, but will it be enough? The Maldives, a nation disappearing. The Maldives is the lowest-lying country on Earth, with an average elevation of just 1.5 meters. Rising waters are already swallowing parts of its islands. By 2100, the entire nation could be gone. The government is even buying land in other countries to relocate its citizens. Tuvalu and Kiribati, those Pacific islands in peril. These tiny Pacific nations may produce the first modern climate refugees. Some scientists believe Tuvalu could be completely submerged by 2050. Kiribati has already started planning mass migration to higher ground. Bangladesh, millions at risk. Bangladesh, home to over 160 million people, could lose nearly 20% of its land to rising waters by 2100. Extreme monsoons, powerful cyclones, and coastal erosion threaten to create one of the largest climate migrations in history. The Netherlands, a high-tech battle against the sea. Nearly a third of the Netherlands is below sea level, but the Dutch have built some of the world's most advanced flood defenses. Massive dikes, seawalls, and even floating cities may help, but will technology be enough to hold back the ocean? Rising sea levels don't just affect these places, they threaten coastlines all over the world. From New York to Tokyo, millions could be displaced, and trillions of dollars in infrastructure could be lost. So, what can we do? Reducing carbon emissions, investing in coastal defenses, and preparing for climate migration are all crucial steps. But the big question is, will we act in time? What do you think? Are we ready for a future with rising seas? Let us know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe for more knowledge-packed videos.